There are apartments available to rent in our neighborhood for $500
Decent pricing.
or $900. So we've got them to show to you today, so stay with us. So now we're gonna go in the door that is over by the river, and then we're gonna give you a walk along the river because it is about location.
Yeah, this location is 10 minutes from the beach. There's a beautiful market right down the street and 10 minutes to the romantic zone. Perfect location.
And it's flat, you don't have to go upstairs. So let's go in and check this one out. So the kitchen is between the living room and the bedroom, which is a little bit strange.
It was small, but I could work with that.
And it does have an oven.
It has a nice stove, refrigerator. I thought it was pretty adequate.
Well, it's adequate. There was no kitchen table in there, nowhere to sit, so we'd have to buy one of those.
Yeah, but I think it was very functional.
Functional, yes, but you can't see out of the kitchen, so you look either into the bedroom or you look into the living room. It wouldn't be my ideal kitchen.
Yeah.
Oh yes, and there's no washer and dryer either in this one, but there are a lot of laundromats in the area.
And very affordable laundromats here in Mexico.
And she did say that you can pay for, everything is included in the rent, which is 18,000 pesos, which is $900, except for electricity, which is very reasonable in this neighborhood.
Yeah, in our neighborhood, the rates are very low, so it's very reasonable.
Yeah. Okay, so you come out the back door and you're at the river. So we're gonna walk up the river walk and show you where it is.
Yeah, I've said before, this is the beauty of Vallarta, the river quality. I love the walk along here. It's peaceful and serene.
And it also is a good location because the market is right down the street.
And 10 minutes to the beach again.
So we're walking up the river. This is what I like to call the river walk. You can see the river's right here. And in the winter now it has some water, not a lot, but it does have some. And the apartment that we first found is right over here. And here's the river over here. There's a man taking a bath in the river over there. Lots of birds. Remember up there is Gringo Gulch.
Let's head over to the next apartment.
Yeah, it's only $550. There are those apartments here in our neighborhood. So this one I think is really appropriate for a single person. Of course, we spoke with the landlord, Lalo, and he said he only will rent to a single person, but it's actually very cute. Look at the front. Right next to that Organic Select. This is on the same street as the one that we just showed you for $900.
And this one has 4 units in the building with a beautiful terrace.
I don't know, what do you think?
This is real small. I think that single thing really is, that apartment building is really only adequate for one person.
But this one is a little bit further down by our house. And so we're going to continue walking down the street now and show you the rest of the neighborhood. You'll see that we've passed a bar on the left, and it's quite a typical neighborhood for Mexico.
It really is.
I like it a lot.
A little busier traffic on this road, but still very nice.
That's true. This road is busy. Lots of traffic. We're walking in the middle of the street because the sidewalks are a little uneven here. Let me show you. Whoops. They're doing some construction right here. Or maybe they're going to, but this piece of property is for sale in case anybody's in the market. See? Edgardo, well, the realtor. Okay, here we come. More sidewalk. Uneven. Sometimes easier to walk in the street. There's a lavanderia. You can get your laundry done. Oh, I can't get up on this sidewalk. Look how high this sidewalk is. All right, let me go this way a little more. Lots of stairs here. Ooh. Yes. This is the club coming up here, the Oasis Club. So again, we'd like to thank you for watching and liking and subscribing. Leave a comment down below.
We really appreciate you.
And don't forget to stay tuned for the next one. Hasta luego.
Ciao.